Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about real life, now you speak French now. Giving me signs, so I'm gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You said, do I own a watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 AM and that's asking a lot of you right now. All they talking about is come to see me for once. Come to see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All they ever say is come to see me for once. Come to see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me what how it wrong. I'm sorry, I'm feeling truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you.